all of the ribbon, pretty much all of the ribbon and lace has come from Hobby Lobby. Now, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it with some lace because I kind of like the old vintage vibe of this ribbon. So typically when I make these type of bows, I like to use the, wired ribbon. So I layer it. So if you use something that doesn't have the wired ribbon, just layer it with some wired ribbon. Okay. So I'm going to start out with some burlap, and it's going to be our base. And I usually cut it and make it bigger, and then you can trim it down. Okay. So there is our burlap. And then I'm just going to start cutting. We are going to cut us some lace. Okay. So you have all of your strips. Okay. So I am going to start with our little burlap pieces, and we're just going to crisscross that. I'm going to start crossing these. Okay, a lot of people will flip it over. I have found, especially when they're big and chunky like this, that if I just tie it in the middle on the front side, you can use zip ties, you can use anything like that. I'm just going to use some jute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. No trimming, no fluffing, and y'all, is that not too cute? Just play with it. Then you just fuss with it a little bit more. I just angled those little pieces. So cute. And then we're going to find some bling to put on here. But I'm thinking maybe the praying hands. I just love those. I think that's the one we're going to go with. We're going to use this one as our base. And then y'all hang out with me. Then we're going to do our Shabby Chic rag bow in there. Okay, so we're going to use that. We're going to use some buffalo check. Okay. I think we're good. So on this one, you'll see what I'm doing. I'm going to mix it up. Cute, cute, cute. You could do it this way and turn it over and tie it. It's just really, you're able to see all of those different types, prints and patterns. In case, but y'all, see that? Is that not too cute? We're gonna put, don't you know we're gonna be putting a bee right there in the center of that. Okay, y'all, this is a little bee out of the Butterfly and Friends collection. This is in the bronze, but I think it is adorable. So we're gonna use a little bit of E6000. Okay. So look, is that not too sweet? We are going to start with some sari silk. Y'all, this one, I am going to cut it. You can, if it's too wide, you can just, right there, and just tear it. And make extra strips. This one, you see that pink in there? All I did was take the Distress Oxide This is Distress Oxide in the color Victorian Velvet. And I just rubbed over it. And so we've got some pink. It's like a pinkish look to it. This is going to be the tail portion. And I just start grabbing. I have a whole bin of lace sitting here. And I just start pulling. So I just take it, and where I see about the center, I'm actually going to use a piece of the sari silk. Y'all. And see, just as I was going to put pearls in there and I forgot, but that's okay. You could add pearls, strings of pearls, whatever you choose in there. I will usually use some of the laces that I put in the tail. So that's what we're gonna do, of course. Okay, and there's several different ways you can do this. You have all your pieces, right? Trying to get them as even as possible here. And you could do it like so. You could lay it down and do like the awareness ribbon and bring this portion down and do it. And you just run your hand down it. And I'm just going to come in and I'm going to do loops. However big you want your loops. So basically I just did a big circle. And y'all, just grab it in the middle. And you tie it off. Yes, you'll have those little pieces, but I like it mixed in with the, this part. I'm actually going to tie this with a piece of our sari silk. And then you're going to take you have your piece coming from this part. I always kind of crisscross it over just to make sure it's good and attached on there. And then you're going to tie the two pieces together. I have seen someone actually put some tape on the ends of their ribbon so that it doesn't get lost. Okay. And y'all, look at your little rag bow. Is that not too cute? You can look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? And you can do it either direction. So there is our rag bow with the beautiful, there we go, beautiful Totally Dazzled bling, the antique bronze right in the center.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.